Does auto insurance cover run-flat tire replacement? Have you ever wondered if your auto insurance will help you out when it comes to replacing run-flat tires? This is a great question, especially if you're relying on these specialized tires for your vehicle. Let's break it down so you know what to expect. First off, it's important to understand that auto insurance typically does not cover the replacement of run-flat tires if they are damaged due to normal wear and tear. If your tire is worn out from regular use, that's considered your responsibility. So, if you find yourself with a flat tire because it has simply aged, your insurance will not cover that cost. However, if your run-flat tire is damaged due to an accident, vandalism, or theft, your auto insurance may step in to help. For example, if you hit a pothole or curb and that causes damage, collision coverage can help pay for the replacement. This type of coverage is designed to assist when your vehicle is involved in a collision. On the other hand, if your tire is stolen or damaged due to non-collision events like vandalism or natural disasters, comprehensive coverage might apply. This means you could get help with the cost of replacing your tire if it falls under these specific situations. Now, let's talk about roadside assistance. Many auto insurance policies offer roadside assistance as an add-on or as part of the coverage. This service can be a lifesaver if you experience a flat tire, including run-flat tires. Roadside assistance can help you by changing the tire with a spare if you have one, or it can tow your vehicle to a repair shop if you cannot fix the tire yourself. Keep in mind that towing assistance usually covers a limited distance, so having a spare tire or the ability to drive on a run-flat tire temporarily can be very helpful. It's also worth noting that standard auto insurance policies do not include tire warranties or protection plans for damage from road hazards or wear and tear. If you want more comprehensive tire protection, you might consider specialized tire and wheel protection plans. These plans are often offered by tire retailers or insurance companies and can cover repairs or replacements due to road hazards like nails or potholes. In summary, while your auto insurance can cover the replacement of run-flat tires if the damage results from an accident or vandalism, it does not cover normal wear or unrelated punctures. Roadside assistance can help with immediate tire issues but does not pay for tire replacement. For broader tire coverage, look into additional tire protection plans beyond what standard auto insurance offers.